Igus has two core products for the Industry 4.0 solutions. The first is our module iCee. With this we are able to measure when a fallout is there. So when the chain is broken or if there is any unknown forces on the chain, so that the machine can stop immediately. The second one is our iCee module. With this we are able to give you data for predictive maintenance so that no unknown downtime is there. The customer benefit is that the machine can work all the time because he knows exactly when the chain or the cables fall out. He can schedule his maintenance cases by our information. For example, in an automotive factory, there you have scheduled maintenance times in summer or winter, and with this solution the maintenance team knows exactly when they have to replace anything on the Igus parts.